Hi and welcome back to the Tech Mentor. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to act as a lead generation specialist for you. This will work well for businesses and individuals trying to build up a database of leads. For the purpose of this video, I will just be an owner of a new furniture store. I make little kiddies furniture, coffee tables, just little things that I make at home, and I'm trying to find some stores that I can sell my product to so that they can sell it to the public. And instead of using Google and doing this process manually, I'm going to make use of ChatGPT to be this lead generation specialist for me. So you can just go over to chatgpt.com, and then you need to give it an input. So you can ask it something or give it an instruction or whatever it is that you need it to do for you. I'm not going to type everything out and waste your time by watching me type. So I've already pre-created the questions. So basically all I'm asking it is, I'm telling it that I've recently started a small business at home making furniture from wood. I make little cupboards. Just tell it what I make. I would ideally like to sell to small shops. I'm based in the Belmont, Perth, Australia area. Name of my little company, my email address, my phone number, and I needed to act as a lead generation specialist and give me a detailed profile of my ideal customer. So let's start there and just hit send. Okay, so then it gives you an ideal customer profile. It tells you your business type. The business type of your ideal customer would be small to medium-sized furniture, home decor, or boutique shops that sells whatever it sells. And a list is the location, the preferred location of your ideal customer, your customer pain points, your customers' priorities, their buying process, and how to find and approach them. But we are not going to do this. We will basically ask ChatGPT to do this for us. But now at least you've got a proper profile for your customer. So you can just copy this and save it somewhere. Basically just go to copy, save it in a Word document or wherever. But for now, I'm going to ask it the next question. Let's just copy the next question there. Okay, so I'm asking it, please help me by generating 20 leads for me, based on this customer profile here. Want the names, email addresses, contact numbers, and physical addresses. Please only give me leads for those where you can find all these details and try to avoid stores with multiple locations. I'm putting that in there because you can get a furniture chain store with a lot of little locations, and I don't want these 20 leads to be one store. Obviously, I want a little bit of a variety. And then I'm asking it to put it in a table format for me. Just try and always put as much detail as possible in here. Don't have to have perfect grammar or whatever. This is a machine after all. It's not going to judge you. It would basically just do what you ask it in whatever way you ask it to. And let's send that and see. Okay, so there it's searching for me. Okay, and here it says, here's a list of 20 independent furniture and home decor stores in Perth, Australia that align with your target customer profile. So it's giving me exactly what I asked for. It's given me the perfect customer profile, and now it's giving me 20 leads that fit this customer profile, and all in a table format like I asked it. It says, while every effort has been made to provide accurate and up-to-date information, it's advisable to verify the contact details. Some of them may have multiple locations, but this is basically the newest information that it could find for you on the internet. And then just ask it one last question, or give it one last instruction. Okay, so I wanted to create a cold email template for me that I can send out. I wanted to draft a WhatsApp pitch message, and I wanted to build a simple customer database for tracking leads and to give me this in an Excel spreadsheet and to put the current leads into that database. So let's send that. Okay, so let's start with the first one. It says here the cold email template. It gives you a very professional and appealing and concise email template that you can just use and send out. You can change this out to make it your own, but it's already done all the thinking for you. The next thing it does is gives you a WhatsApp pitch message that you can also use, and then it gives you exactly what you need as a customer database. So it would give you a columns of store name, contact name, email, phone number, physical address, the status which you can update, and notes for that. And it puts it in a Excel spreadsheet for you. So let's download this Excel spreadsheet. Let's see what it's done there for us. Okay. I'm just going to fix that there. Okay, so now from here, you've got your list. You've got the addresses, status here. You can obviously go and change that. You can make the spreadsheet your own thing now, but it's basically given you everything that you need. You can go and put your notes in here and basically just start contacting all these new leads. And it's done hours of work for you in a matter of minutes. And guys, that is how you can use ChatGPT to generate leads for you. This works well for freelancers, for marketing people, for anyone that basically needs to generate leads quickly. And you can keep on doing this. You can ask it to generate 200 leads, whatever your needs are. And as you can see, it can put it in an Excel format for you. You can also ask it to put it in a Google Sheets format for you. You can ask it to put the email, the WhatsApp pitch message, your customer profile into a Word document for you or into a Google Docs document for you. And then you can basically just use that information and start sending the leads out and carry on with normal business things and not worry about this. Thank you so much. If you've liked the video and want to see more tutorials on how to do things with ChatGPT, but also with Microsoft Excel apps and web development and so on, please like and subscribe to my channel, and you will see some daily updates